Mwako wa Kameme utanyitwo gutuika mucii wa mathako matiganite ta mahenya, kiharo kia muthako wa mubira wa gonya, nyumba cia gym, kiharo kia mubira wa maguru gatagati ka mangi. Kambi ya Kapsabet niyo ikoragwo na makiria ma ateng'eri 3,000. Mutabariri wa mathako kaunti ya Nandi akiuga kambi ino neria itanitio na njorua ya marathon Eliud Kipchoge ni guteithiriria kunyihia muhatikano wa ateng'eri.
The benefit will actually be mostly to the athletes and maybe the coaches who come right from Nandi county here.
Kambi ino ningi ni gukorwo ikiheo ikaro athaki a guku bururi-ini oro ndomwe na athaki nja wa bururi oro hamwe na gutabania mbitika citiganite cia guku bururi-ini.
We'll be accommodating those who will be picked by scouts across the county around here to train, and when they hit the international status, we let them go and do their work. We go back to nurture the next generation.
Na niguo kunyihia ciiko cia athaki kunyitikana na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurirukia icoka, mucii uyu ningi ni ugukorwo na thibitari wa guthima na guteithiriria athaki. Waaki wothe utanyitwo kuhuthira makiria ma ciringi milioni 150. Hado-ini ha Kameme TV haro-ini njitagwo Kuria wa Gicimu.